The invention of printing. The greatest invention of history. Long ago, in forgotten lands at forgotten times, our forefathers, the primitive people of this planet, had great lives, cultures and history. They had waged wars, made paces, discovered lands, achieved prowesses. And yet for what? For that everything they'd done, every achievement and every kind of proof that they'd existed would just disappear with them. With no one and nothing left to tell their story. Yes, that's how it happened, because those people didn't think of a way to immortalize their existence, so it vanished with them. The people who succeeded them in this world wouldn't let their history die so easily, and they decided to make it last for others to know about it. But the question is, how did they do that, and what was the solution to this problem? The solution was the invention of writing. It was first just some signs Egyptians wrote on stones and walls. But then it got developed and whole texts were written on papyrus, then parchments, and after that papers that would get attached and would form the ancient book. Thanks to this method, ancient people solved the problem of immortalizing their existences as they wrote them down. What was wrong then? What were the problems? Even though those methods of writing down events and history were a great innovation in humans' life, it wasn't so far perfect and had many drawbacks. Actually, it was a very tiring and painful way to transcript, and only privileged ones were allowed to do it, who were usually the scribes of monasteries. The scribes would first measure the page's layout, then carefully transcript the text. Generally they do the work standing and would take a lot of time and great effort. That is why books were very rare at this epoch, and only monasters and noble rich families could have. What was the solution to all those problems? To solve those problems, and with the development of universities and the increasing demand on books, around 1440 a German man, Gutenberg John, found a way to produce more books with less effort and costs, and he gave birth to the first printing press. This device facilitated the production of books and helped spreading knowledge all around the world, and on nowadays it became such an indispensable tool for both work and studies that nearly every house has one.